Wow! Hello! Uwi na kami ni Zia. Ayan! Wow! Overlooking, oh. Wow! Wow! Overlooking.
Yan ang playground ni Kayin.
Wow! Uwi na si Zia. Oh,
Huh?
thank you, doctor. Thank you, nurse.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus. St. Vincent Hospital. Thank you po. Yan, ang ganda ng environment dito. Overlooking. Wow! Ang daming sasakyan. Yan. Thank you, Tita Lai. Thank you, Mami Jonah. Yan. Siyempre, thank you, Lola Alma. Hello, thank you, Lola Alma.
Bye.
Yes.
Did you see the bird, baby? Did you see the bird? Oh, there's the bird flying.
Yung bumibili. Wow!
Wow. Wow.
Ganun mo lang sa mga ano, yun na yun, no? Kita mo yung mga bell na yun, no? Ganda, no? Wow! May butterfly!
Bird.
Bird! Wow! Ito ang kwarto ni Sia, girl. Super lamig sa gabi. Oo. Wow!
Oh, wow.
May bird!
Bird. Did you see the bird, baby? Oh. Bird.
Parang mo lang sa akin eh.
Knock-knock pa yan. Knock-knock. Knock-knock. Elmo. Baby, you say Elmo.
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 Hello. Bye-bye. Hello.
We're going home.
Bye-bye. Uwi na kami. Yay!
Bye-bye. Kay. Say bye, baby.
Bye-bye mo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, St. Vincent. Ay, no. Lola, balik. Ooh.
Ah.
Ah.
O, sige na. O, dyan na, o. O, dyan na. Okay na.